What is going on, guys? Stefan here with you, S&E's Garage. It's a rainy day here in New Jersey, as you can see. But today we are going to be upgrading the headlights on this Elantra Touring with some LASFIT LED auto lighting. Let's get started. So what we're going to be using here is some LASFIT LA Plus H8, 9, and 11. So they will work for either H8, H9, and H11. They are 60 watt bulbs. They put out 6,000 lumens for the set, or 3,000 per bulb. They are a 6K color temperature, and they even come with a 1-year warranty. Now, this Elantra uses what's known as an H11B. It's a special type of H11, and you're going to need to buy the adapter kit with it to adapt H11B to H11. Now, LASFIT offers a kit that works for all Hyundai vehicles with the H11B, and that is what we have here. That kit is going to come with these bulbs and this harness. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead, we're going to pull these headlights out. They come out really easily, and we're going to go in the garage and we're going to install them and show you just how easy it is. So these headlights actually come out really easy. There's only 3 10mm bolts, one here, and then there's one back here behind the battery. So let's go ahead and remove them. Okay, once they are out, you're simply going to reach down here and unplug the headlight. There is one main connector that plugs the headlight in. And then you're just going to grab it. You got to get it up over the bumper and pull. And you'll feel it disengage, like so. And your whole headlight's out. So let's go ahead, let's take this headlight in the garage. Let's go ahead and do the LED conversion. Alrighty guys, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is decipher which is your high beam and which is your low beam. And on this particular car, the low beam is the projector. So with the headlight backwards, that is going to be the one closest to the outside of the car. So we're gonna go ahead, twist and pull. And what you're gonna see in here is basically your H11B bulb. So what we're going to have to do is, like I said, we're going to convert this to a regular H11. So to remove this, you're going to twist and remove the bulb. And this is what you're going to see. Those two little tangs are what provide power to your bulbs. And our new bulbs are not going to have those tangs. So we have to go ahead and install these in their place. You're going to put the red one to the yellow wire and the black one to the black wire. Now, once you get to this point, this is what you should see. You will have your red wire going to the yellow and the black wire going to the black. And at this point, you can now take your LASFIT LED bulb, which by the way has cooling fans. This is a really nice bulb, and install it. And you're going to twist. You'll feel it when it grabs, and lock. And now on the back of your bulb, you have a positive and a negative. You're going to connect the red to positive. And then we're just going to go ahead and coil up our wires into this headlight assembly, like so, as neatly as possible. And everything should fit in the headlight. That way there's no wires hanging out or anything of the sort, like so. And now we're going to go ahead, take our cap, and reinstall it. And just like that, you converted your halogen H11B to an LED H11. So what I'm going to do while I have this headlight out really quickly is I'm going to grab some compound. I don't think this thing needs a full reconditioning here because it's just a little yellow up top. So we're going to take some rubbing compound and a microfiber and just kind of rub it out a little bit. And then we're going to go ahead and put it in the car and test it. So we're just very lightly using some rubbing compound here, just regular old rubbing compound, and just cleaning this headlight up. Again, they're not in a condition where I need to be going and sanding them down and doing all kinds of crazy stuff. just cleaning them up like this is going to make a huge difference in the appearance of the car. So let's go ahead, let's get outside, let's throw this in the car and let's test it. So installing this headlight is just as easy as removing it. You simply slide it in, and that's it. So let's plug it in. Like so. Let's go turn the headlights on, and what this is going to showcase here is a before and after. You're going to see LED versus halogen. Just take a look at how bright that is when compared to that. The difference is night and day. All right, so we got the bulb kit installed here. Now, unfortunately, this headlight has some water intrusion issues. I'm not sure why. This is a, what is it? It's 2011. So it's a 12-year-old car, 13-year-old car. My receiver's on. And unfortunately, that's just what we are dealing with here. But this is as good as this is going to look. Let's go ahead out to the car. Let's install it and let's check our lights. All right, guys, and this here is going to be our end result. These headlight bulbs look absolutely fantastic, and they bring this car into the 2020s. Now, once it gets a little bit darker out, we're going to go ahead, we're going to go for a night drive, and we're going to see just how nice these headlights perform at night. Now, I'm also going to go ahead, I'm going to link these down in the video description below, and I'm also going to link a coupon code, and that coupon code is SE20. And what that is going to do, it's going to get you 20% off your entire order, and you can use it up to 20 times, which is unheard of. So you can buy 20 different bulbs at 20% off with this coupon code. And if you use the coupon code and you buy from the link below, it does also give our channel a small cut, and we do greatly appreciate that. So let's pause for here. We'll come back in a couple hours. We'll set you up on the suction cup mount, and we'll go ahead and take this thing for a ride at night, see how they look. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and pull into the barn here, and let's just take a look at the cutoff. They look really good. Let's get out and take a peek. And overall, I'm super happy with how these came out. So if this video interested you, please like, share, and subscribe. Again, I'm going to leave links to these in the video description down below. If you purchase from those links, it does help the channel out, and we do greatly appreciate it. And also, do not forget to use SE20 as your coupon code when you make your purchase.